When life knocks you down, the first thing you must understand is this: falling down is not the problem. Staying down is the problem. Everybody falls. Strong people fall. Good people fall. Hardworking people fall. Sometimes you can do everything right and still lose. You can give your best and still be rejected. You can trust someone and still be betrayed. You can plan your whole life and still watch it collapse in front of your eyes. That is life. It does not always ask if you are ready. It hits, it breaks, it takes. And sometimes it leaves you standing there asking, why me? But listen carefully. The moment you fall is not the end of your story. It is the beginning of the part where you find out who you really are. Stop lying there like your life is finished. You are hurt, fine. You failed, fine. They left, fine. You lost something, fine. But what are you going to do now? That is the question. Not what happened, not who hurt you, not who doubted you, not who walked away. The real question is, what are you going to do now? Because pain will visit everybody, but discipline does not visit everybody. Courage does not visit everybody. The decision to stand up again, that is rare. Most people try to rise too quickly. They get hurt, then they pretend they are okay. They fail, then they act like it did not affect them. But healing does not mean pretending. Healing means looking at the pain honestly, without letting it become your identity. You can say, yes, this hurt me. Yes, this broke me. Yes, I am not the same person anymore. But then you must also say, this will not be where I end. You want to rise? Then stop waiting for motivation. Stop waiting until your mind feels peaceful. Stop waiting until people apologize. Stop waiting until the past becomes fair. It may never be fair. They may never understand. They may never come back and say, I was wrong about you. So what? Are you going to waste your whole life waiting for people to give you closure? No. You create closure by moving forward. You create power by rebuilding yourself. You create your comeback by doing the work when nobody cares. When you are at your lowest, do not try to fix your entire life in one day. That pressure will crush you. Start small. Get out of bed. Wash your face. Clean your space. Eat something. Take a walk. Open the book. Send the application. Do one thing that proves you have not surrendered. One step may look small, but when your heart is broken, one step is powerful. Strong Sharpton, stop calling yourself weak. You survived things nobody knows about. You carried pain and still showed up. You smiled with a storm inside your chest. You lost sleep, lost peace, lost people, and you are still here. That is not weakness. That is evidence. Evidence that something inside you refuses to die. Gentle but serious, rising again does not mean becoming hard and cold. It means becoming wiser. Do not let pain turn you into someone who cannot love. Do not let betrayal turn you into someone who cannot trust wisely. Do not let failure turn you into someone who never tries again. Your pain should educate you, not imprison you. If life knocked you down, then get angry in the right direction. Not angry at the world, not angry at people forever. Get angry at your excuses. Get angry at your laziness. Get angry at the old habits that kept you weak. Get angry at the version of you that keeps saying, tomorrow. No, not tomorrow. Today, right now. Stand up and do something. Because the truth is, nobody sees the rebuilding season. Nobody sees the nights when you sit alone and fight your own thoughts. Nobody sees the mornings when you wake up tired but still try again. Nobody sees the private battles. They only see the comeback. They only see the result. They only say, you changed. Yes, You changed because staying the same was destroying you. Firm, motivation. So here is how you rise. First, accept what happened. Do not deny it. Do not decorate it. Do not keep replaying it, hoping the ending will change. It happened. It hurt. Now learn from it. Second, take responsibility for what happens next. Maybe it was not your fault, but your healing is still your responsibility. Your future is still your responsibility. Your comeback is still your responsibility. Third, build a routine when your emotions are unstable. Because when your mind is broken, you cannot depend on feelings. You need structure. Wake up at a time, move your body, do your work, protect your mind, stay away from things that reopen the wound. Routine is not boring. Routine is how you rebuild trust with yourself. Hard, aggressive. And fourth, stop begging for the old life back. Some doors closed because you outgrew them. Some people left because they were not meant to walk into your next chapter. Some losses were protection dressed as pain. So stop staring at the door that closed. Turn around. There is still a road ahead. One day you will understand the thing that broke you also revealed you. It revealed your strength. It revealed who was real. It revealed what mattered. It revealed the parts of you that needed to heal. And slowly you will rise. Not loudly, not perfectly, but honestly. You will rise every time you refuse to quit. You will rise every time you choose discipline over self-pity. You will rise every time you take one more step while your heart is still heavy. And when you rise, you will not be the same person who fell. You will be calmer, sharper, wiser, harder to break. Not because life became easy, but because you became stronger. So if you are on the ground right now, listen to me. Cry if you need to. Rest if you must. But do not build a home there. Get up. Get up with the pain. Get up with the fear. Get up with the broken heart. Get up with the failure. Get up with the doubt. Because your life is not over. Your story is not finished. Your comeback is not canceled. You did not survive everything you survived just to surrender here. Stand up. Fix your eyes forward. Take back your mind. Take back your power. Take back your life. And when life asks, "Are you done?" you look back and say, "No. I fell. I broke. I cried. I lost. But I am still here. And as long as I am still here, I can rise again."